Now I will tell you about the next topic is non-verbal communication. A non-verbal communication is easily defined, that is through the body language. First one is the eye contact. How we communicate with our eyes. So there is a three components for a body language. First is eye contact. Second one is head position and movement, and last one is facial expressions. Eye contact is a direct and powerful tool of a communication. It is a way to look at someone, how reveals our feelings towards them at the moment. For example, if we have a thing which is in lengthy form and we turn it in a rolling then it rotate in a rolling form, that if it is not we do quickly, we do not do work our quickly, so this thing, it means this doesn't appeal to us. Why? Because their eye contacts are reflecting here and there, moving of position, and nobody will interested to see. For example, let us take another example. The use of the eye contact is significantly varies from place to place. How? In villages and small towns, looking into the eyes of an elder person is very considerably rude, while in sitting, not looking into the eyes with others, communicating, taking of dictation. Easily understandable. Next one is head position and movement. If we watch, now I am explaining you this topic, head position and movement. The head position, if we watch two people in the middle of conversation, notice that in addition to the movement of two mouth, their face expressions are different, and they are moving their heads, and the movement of their body with their hands, and they move their lips, how to move, how to take a position for one word to another, and how to they are explaining or express their views to another, and how to different angles of the head and different angles of the mouth are considered here. Now I will tell you about the facial expression. Facial expressions, first one is the happiness. If we are very so happy, we always smile. A smile face. A smile face is a very energetic to everybody. So everyone appeal to us by a good response of a pleasure, good thank you, that is show our happy face. If we are very sad, disappointed, depressed, that a very lack of expressions are there, and we turning our mouth very down. When we are very surprised, we are like a head cock, like this. Here I make a picture of a surprise. In this, a person is very expressed by opening his or her mouth, propping up of a chin with the finger. And next one is the anger. Anger is so bad mouth expressions, that is that a person is very offense, very feel bad when they are very attracted to them, and the posture of the face is very look like a very tensed type, and the people are frowning and scowling or scratching of the teeth, they clenching the teeth so badly. Then next one is disgust. Disgust means a narrowing the eyes and becomes more evident with the increasing intensity of the feelings, that they wrinkled on their head and turned, and cause of reaction is very elaborated. Wow. Next one is the fear. If we are very fear, darna, then we open our mouth. What happened if we see any horror movie? We are so feared whenever, and if we see a very bad, कोई गंदा सपना देखना, कोई any horror movie we see, and we feel very bad and shivering our movements of our body like hands, feet, shivering so much, and we feel anxiety so much at that time. So next one I will tell you about the different body gestures and movements. First one is the now I will tell you about the different body gestures and movements. Here I talked about the first one is the humans are communicate non-verbally basically. In this the some body movements such as shoulder shrug. First one is shoulder shrug. In this the message is conveys that I don't know, I don't care, I am doubtful, what can I do. वही हम अपने शोल्डर्स को ऊपर से उठा लेते हैं ना, that is the thing we show with this expression, that is shoulder shrug. Then second one is the palm rub. अपनी हथेलियाँ ठंडी ठंडी हो जानी, that means we rubbing our palms together कि हमें ये नहीं समझ आती कि हमारे कोई चीज़ भी, कोई भी हमने जैसे कोई एग्ज़ाम दिया, उसका रिज़ल्ट आने वाला तो हम डर से जाते, क्या होगा हमारा रिएक्शन कैसे होगा, हम ठंडे पड़ जाते हैं, एकदम से डर जाते हैं, क्या होगा हमारा रिज़ल्ट. ठीक है, दैट इज़ द पाम रब. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द thumb display. Now this from this thumb we means that the that the secretive manner in order to try hide the person dominating or aggressive people use this thumb display. Next one is mouth guard. Mouth guard is the when a person does not adopting anything that it covers mouth with one or both hands. दोनों हाथों से अपना मुंह से कवर कर लेते हैं और कुछ भी बताने के वो कोई वर्ड नहीं बोल पाते हैं, अपना मुंह बंद सा कर लेते हैं. दैट इज या फेक कफ करना, गंदे तरीके से शो करना, दैट इज द माउथ गार्ड. Then nose touch. Someone if the person is very I think a listener who doubts the speaker words, अगर किसी बंदे को उसके वर्ड्स पे समझ ना आए, उसको डाउट हो कि ये क्लियर नहीं है वर्ड्स में, अपने सेंटेंस बोलने में कुछ गड़बड़ बोल रहा है, उसका वे ऑफ टॉक सही नहीं लग रहा, तो नोज टच। आई रबिंग करना, नेक्स्ट वन इज आई रब। आई रब, इन आई रब वी टेलिंग अ लाई, आंखें चुराना, अपनी इधर उधर घुमाना कि हम झूठ बोल रहे हैं, उससे पता लग जाता है। कानों में देख, ईयर रब करना मीन्स कि हमें जैसे सुन नहीं रहा कुछ, ऐसे अनदेखा सा कर देना, ठीक है। देन नेक्स्ट इज नेक स्क्रैच। Neck scratch means that I am not sure, I am agree with your statement, or something the people says, I can understand, how can you feel? That is a way to express by neck scratch. Then fingers in the mouth. From this we are saying line or hand to the mouth, and we put pressure in the put his or her fingers in his or her mouth. That's all. That is the main topic of this chapter, is what is how to identify the elements of communication skill. How we know how to word a communication basically form from Latin word that is comnis. Communis. A word communis, a Latin word which is a communication word from which we share, means to share, to impart, to participate, or to make common. That means to sense of sharing, sense of sharing, thanks to how to communicate our words, or how to share our information to somebody else. Now what is the meaning of a communication? Simply we know the word communication means, इससे ही पता लगता है क्या होता है, ट्रांसफरिंग अ इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अनदर. Basically the communication word means transferring information from one person to another. That is the called